Number 25. Cowlick. A couple vacationing in southern France filed an insurance claim for the paint on their car after it got licked off by a herd of cows. Number 24. Isabel Parker's slip and fall. For 7 years, between 1993 and 2000, Isabel Parker pretended to slip and fall in various locations. After doing it nearly 49 times, she filed insurance claims worth nearly $1 million. Unfortunately for her, the insurance company didn't fall for it. Number 23. Mark Thompson's arson. Mark Thompson burned down his house while his 90-year-old mother was still inside in order to collect $730,000 of insurance. He's now serving 190 years behind bars. Number 22. Monkey business. While vacationing in Malaysia, a couple had their clothes stolen and scattered around the jungle by a thieving band of monkeys. The insurance company agreed to cover their losses. Number 21. Broken nose, broken pride. A British tourist in Athens ended up running into a bus shelter after supposedly being distracted by a group of females. In spite of his embarrassing mistake, the insurance company still covered the hospital bill. Number 20. Don't sleep and drive. Fortis Insurance paid out a whopping $44 million when Gary Hart fell asleep at the wheel and killed 10 people. Number 19. Parachute problems. A family on vacation in England were in for a surprise when a parachutist landed on their equipment, destroying most of it. The insurance company wouldn't pay for the damages. Number 18. A slippery slope. Snow sports aren't exactly known for being safe. Maybe this is why every winter insurers dish out over $100 million. Number 17. iPhone issues. A farmer in Minnesota filed a claim on his iPhone when he lost it in the rear end of a cow when he was helping with calving in the middle of the night. Number 16. Mouse soup. A Virginia woman filed a claim against Cracker Barrel when she said she found a mouse in her soup. Upon closer inspection by the restaurant, however, they determined that there was no cheese in the rodent's lungs, and therefore the mouse was not cooked with the food. The woman is now in jail for attempted extortion. Number 15. Watch out. A jeweler in London tried to file a claim when a customer brought him a 200-pound watch to fix. He accidentally ended up returning him a 10,000-pound watch, but the insurance company decided he was on his own. Number 14. Up in smoke. A clever lawyer bought a pack of cigars and had them insured against all sorts of catastrophes, including floods, storms, and of course fire. A few months later, he filed a claim saying his cigars had all disappeared in a series of quote-unquote small fires. The insurance company correctly assumed that he had smoked them and told him to get lost. The judge, however, forced the insurance company to pay up because they didn't specify the type or size of fire in the contract. Number 13. A wet wedding. When the bride's dress caught fire, the future husband grabbed her and threw her into the Caribbean water. Although the wedding didn't really go as planned, at least the insurance company was willing to dish out for the dress. Number 12. Merry Christmas. An Indiana man driving home from Christmas shopping was behind a car with a Christmas tree attached to the roof, when all of a sudden the tree slid off and came crashing through his windshield. The other driver sped off and the police ended up telling him he might as well keep the tree. A free tree and a brand new windshield. Not a bad Christmas. Number 11. Camel kick. A man on vacation in Australia put in a claim on his car after a wild camel supposedly kicked in the door. The insurance company was understandably wary, but after video evidence was produced, they forked over the cash. Number 10. Elevator experience. A safety training instructor was working with several trainees when the elevator they were using for demonstrations got stuck. Although the trainees got some real-world experience, they didn't see it that way. The insurance companies had to pay for the quote-unquote mental anguish they suffered as a result of being exposed to what they were training for. Number 9. Nokia cake. A North Carolina woman somehow managed to accidentally bake her Nokia phone in her daughter's birthday cake. The insurance company declined to pay damages. Number 8. Where'd the snow go? A British woman that bought new skis to go skiing in the Alps decided to try collecting on them after she arrived and realized there was no snow. The insurance company refused, citing her lack of foresight. Number 7. Headbanging. A woman in Sri Lanka was knocked out cold by a falling coconut as she sat reading under a palm tree. Apparently this incident isn't uncommon, and every year about 150 people are killed by falling coconuts. The insurance company paid in full. Number 6. Loose teeth. A man on an Alaskan cruise apparently lost his dentures overboard as he was surveying the ocean. He filed a lost baggage claim with the insurance company but was denied. Number 5. Buried treasure. The children of a couple on vacation in Italy ended up burying their parents' camera in the sand. Fortunately, the insurance company didn't bury their claim. Number 4. A Titanic claim. A couple made a claim on their camera after they lost it over the side of a cruise ship trying to film themselves recreating that scene in Titanic. Number 3. Headbutt. A claim was filed by a Virginia man stating that his windshield was headbutted by an angry deer on his way to work. Unfortunately, evidence was lacking. Number 2. The global financial crisis. Since the Great Depression of the 1930s, the recent global financial crisis was by far the most financially devastating. It led insurance companies to dish out over $100 billion. And number 1. A goose and a diamond. A Texas woman filed a claim on her diamond ring after her goose swallowed it. Apparently, she had spent several weeks sifting through goose poop without any luck. The insurance company refused to pay but did suggest dissection. The woman's tough choice was made for her when the goose flew away anyway.
If you liked the video you just saw, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel by using the orange button in the top right. And don't forget to go check out our website at list25.com for more awesome lists.